In a land of dragons, there lived one dragon named Puff, brave, cheerful, and sneezy.
All right, class. Show me your fiercest roar.
That's not a roar, Puff. That's a party trick.
Puff and Luna enjoyed each other's company, but no matter where he went, Puff's sneeze followed.
Maybe your sneeze just wants to decorate dessert.
I just want to roar like everyone else, but all I do is sneeze!
Balloons, bubbles, sparkles, a cave was never quiet. Then one stormy day, the village needed help. Dark clouds were over the dragon village, and villagers were worried. Suddenly, the villagers witnessed a giant rainbow bubble floating in the sky. Puff, Luna, and Blaze witnessed the trouble and stepped forward, trembling.
The crops will drown.
Maybe I can help.
Puff opened his mouth to speak, but a giant sneeze swelled at the tip of his nose. The villagers held their breath, praying this sneeze wouldn't bring chaos again. Puff couldn't hold it back. He let out a giant sneeze. To everyone's surprise, the storm vanished, and the sky cleared at once. Puff sneezes again.
In
This
amazement.
time, a glowing rainbow bridge forms across the valley.
See? Your sneeze isn't a mistake, it's magic. I always thought my biggest weakness was my sneeze.
Maybe being different isn't so bad.
It's what makes the world brighter.